Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving weekend. Had a long weekend here. I didn't do any filming. I just spent time with my family and enjoyed the holiday. I hope you guys did as well. Hope you got plenty to eat. This is a Monday night for me as I cook this. I just got home from work and I'm just going to do some good old-fashioned sloppy joe. Very simple recipe. You've probably seen something at least similar to it. But let me show you how I make this. Let's get going, guys. Okay, leave me to not turn the camera on. I just got my small skillet here, or medium-sized skillet here, and I got it's roughly about the half of a small onion that's been chopped up, and about a small to medium green bell pepper. I added some little bit of olive oil to the skillet and I'm just sauteing this up till it softens up. Sorry about that. I will fire the cameraman. Alright guys, we've been sauteing this for about 5 or 6 minutes. I'm going to get this off to the side. I've been cooking all this pretty much on medium, maybe just a little bit of medium-high heat. Onions are starting to get a little translucent. The peppers are softening up. I have 1 pound. This is dry aged ground beef from Porter Road. Get that on in here. I'm not being very gracious about it. And get this all ground up. Keeping these peppers and onions off to the side for now. It will be all incorporated though. After a few minutes, I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to hit the ground beef with a little salt. A little black pepper. And when we start flipping this is to incorporate everything together. We're just going to cook it until all the meat is brown. Alright guys, we've been about another, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 minutes. Got the meat all browned up and I'm going to drain the grease off of here and get right back to you. Alright guys, I got about a half a cup of ketchup here. Add just a couple teaspoons of just yellow mustard. I'll add just a little bit there. A little bit more. This is about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, or however you say it. About 1 teaspoon of just plain sugar. I have reduced this down to about a medium-low heat, and we're just going to get everything incorporated. We're going to let this simmer for, I don't know, another 5 minutes, 10 minutes till everything gets incorporated. And we're going to have us a sloppy joe sandwich. Guys, I will have the ingredients and directions that I use down below in the comments. I didn't think I had enough mustard and ketchup in there, but I think we're going to be just fine. Guys, I don't know if you've ever made a simple sloppy joe like this before, but it is delicious. My kitchen smells amazing right now. Guys, we are ready. Let me get my family fed. I'll come back and we'll make you and I a sandwich. Alright Alright guys, let me show you how we take care of business around here on this. I just got, this is a bottom part of a whole wheat bun. And I'm gonna come in here and just on the very bottom, throw down a few dill pickles. I'm gonna pile this bad boy up a little bit. Just as simple as that. I'm gonna come in with another pickle right there, maybe one more. Let's come in there with our top. Would you look at that? Alright guys, a little Monday night cook just for dinner. Quick and easy. I'm making a mess down here. But you know what? It's Sloppy Joe. Do that. Let's give this thing a taste. That is just good. Not real difficult, real easy cook. Like I said, I will have the ingredients and the description or instructions down in the comments below. It's warm in here, I know that. But guys, thank you as always. Like I said, I didn't do anything over the holidays. Thanksgiving, didn't do any cooking at all. As a matter of fact, we were a little under the weather around here, so no cooking for that. Even though we had a little bit better weather, just a little bit better weather. But so guys, I will bring you another inside cook, and we'll keep doing that as long as it's bad outside and gets dark real early. So guys, thank you as always. Guys, if you don't mind, subscribe to us. If you haven't already, hit that like button. That helps us out a lot. And if you hit that bell right over here, it notifies you every time I post a new video. So guys, until next time, we see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye.
Bye.